And we're back again. Stryker SR-497HPC. This is the one that has the color changing lights. If you've been watching, we just did an OEM on this one. Alright. So this is a tune-up report today. So no do right here. We're looking at 0 to 100 watts right there. Right on top. 10, 20. See that 40? So set right at 30 watts carrier. And it has a variable. I can turn it down all the way to 3 watts. I think it is. All right, to a watt down. All right, and now in our peak reading meter, the 100 watt scale. Bring that back up.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Audio, check, check.
About to change that slug out. Go back to the 250 slug. All right, we're looking at 250 watts now. That's the top scale, 50, 100, 150 right there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That sounds pretty good, that radio. Come on. Audio, check, check.
All right. I can put her on the air.
That break going now for radio check, come on. Sounds good, radio check. Oh, that's good to hear. I just got it. I was hoping it sounded all right. Oh, yeah, sounds great. Thanks for coming back to me, driver. 642, Fort Lauderdale. Thanks a lot. Take it later.
We put noise toys in this one. This one here. Okay. And then we did this one. I don't choose them, I just put them in there. Alright, that's it for this radio. Stryker SR-497. Good sounding rig.